Welcome back. In our previous video, How to Get Started, we walked through the basics of setting up an organization. For today's video, we are using the Zubduq organization, where we have already set up 2 team members. Now we will walk you through how easy it is to manage your leads. Let's navigate to the Leads Management page. This page is divided into 3 key sections: the filters at the top, the action bar containing your management tools, and the leads grid below. Before we add data, let's customize our workflow. Click on Manage Status. Let's add a custom status called Interested and assign it a badge color. This helps you visually track where a lead is in the pipeline. Now, let's bring in a lead. Click Add Lead. The first name, phone, and status are required. Once you save, your first lead is live in the system. Adding leads one by one is great, but for bulk updates, the import feature is your best friend. A pro tip: export your current list first to get the correct CSV format. Add your new data to that file and import it back in. Now that we have leads, let's put our team to work. We can select multiple leads here, click Assign, and distribute them to our users. You can also use the inline action buttons to edit or delete specific leads individually, or use the filters at the top to analyze specific segments of your data. Now let's switch gears and log in as a team member to see their workflow. The user enters their organization ID, which they can find in their welcome email. Zubduq remembers this ID so they won't need to enter it again next time. Once logged in, the user navigates to My Leads. Here they only see the specific leads assigned to them by the admin. Users can filter their list to prioritize tasks. Users can update lead details and add relevant notes. To manage interactions, select the Follow-up button to log activities, include a follow-up note, and specify the next follow-up date. These actions help maintain accurate records and ensure timely progression of the deal. Switching back to the admin view, you have full oversight. You can see the progress your team is making, reassign leads if someone is busy, or close the deal yourself. A quick tip on managing your free quota. If you reach your limit, you can simply export your old closed leads and delete them from the platform. We take privacy seriously. When you delete a lead, we don't just soft delete or hide it. It is permanently removed from our system, ensuring you have full control over your data. Finally, as we are rapidly growing and adding new features, we would love to hear from you. If you have recommendations or suggestions, please reach out. You can find all our details on the Contact Us page. Thanks for watching.